When it comes to descriptions for houses, when I've just completed a flip, there are two words that I just blatantly refuse to use because they're some of the most overused words in real estate. And because I refuse to use those words, I have to do a few things a little bit differently to make sure that I get the right eyes on my brand new flips as they hit the market. So stay tuned to find out what those two words are that I refuse to use and why. My name is Amber Miller, and for the past 15 years, I have been finding, renovating, and listing houses, otherwise known as flipping. But I didn't always start out doing it full time. For the first 6 years of my business, I actually did it part-time while still working a full-time career. So it is possible, if that's something that's on your heart and your mind lately, to figure out how to do. This channel will actually have a lot of really helpful videos and insight as to how you can make it happen for yourself as well. But as far as this video, today I'm going to talk about the two words that I just refuse to use when it comes to describing a brand new flip, and that is fully renovated. When I refused to use those words was when I realized that somebody can put in a listing that was built in, I don't know, the 70s with an updated kitchen from 1990, and they're using the words fully renovated. It just doesn't hold the same weight when you're reading it in the description anymore. And honestly, I think buyers and buyers agents have also gotten wise to the fact that anything that's more than, I don't know, 20 years old isn't really a truly fully renovated type of property. I even see words used in listings that are flips, like top to bottom. Well, I don't use that either. And the reason I don't use that is because in order for something to be completely new, top to bottom, that's basically a new house. The other phrase I just cannot get on board with using is like new construction. There is nothing else like new construction. The only types of homes that are like new construction are new construction. So when it comes to doing your flip and listing your flip, what kind of words should you be using? Well, instead of using those kind of like target phrases like fully renovated or completely updated, which again, another phrase that's overused and not entirely accurate, I want to make sure that when I'm listing my properties, I am giving buyers and the buyer's agents the most accurate portrayal of the property and what has been done. So I'm very careful to use words not necessarily that are describing what was done, but more about what the experience will be when they go into the home. So for example, instead of just saying updated hardwood floors, I will say restored and refinished gleaming hardwood floors add warmth and organic texture to your living room. See the difference? The other thing is all new kitchen. Well, what does that mean? I have walked into that all new kitchen house listed before and seen like new countertops and new hardware on 50-year-old cabinets. So what I want to say when I'm talking about a fully renovated, installed kitchen that I've just completed is I want to say, step into the experience of a 9-foot quartz-topped island with shaker-style cabinetry, soft close hardware, and plenty of space to gather and entertain. Those are the things that I'm more focused on than the actual fully renovated part. One more example. When you're looking at a listing and you see something like basement finished or fourth bedroom, great guest room, when you can look at that and go, okay, what is that family room going to allow somebody to experience in that house? Lower level family room with bar area and spacious seating accommodations, perfect for movie or game night. There's a big difference between how those two read. So when it comes to describing your flip, whether you're listing your own or you're having an agent list them for you, instead of focusing on the one kind of like broad overarching message about the property, make sure you're zoning in on those very specific spaces. Convenient mudroom, perfect to gather your things in the morning and drop your things as you return home at night for a relaxing evening. Private suite with an ensuite bath makes a complete difference other than just saying bedroom and bath combo, right? Or if you just say at the beginning of the listing, fully renovated, and then you don't draw the attention to those other items that are really adding the value and giving the message about what somebody's going to experience living in that house, it's completely different. And you don't want to miss that chance to make that first impression with those listing descriptions and then also with those professional photographs, which of course include a home that is staged. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Come back to this channel for plenty of topics, strategies, and tips about house renovating, flipping, real estate investing, and design. And until next time, bye for now.